Hello, if you are wondering how you can charge your Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Pro, then it is actually quite simple. Inside box, you will be able to find this cable. So this is the charger, and now you will have to plug it for sure right here into these gold pins. There's the automatic magnetic attachment. And right now, if you want to charge it, you can for sure use this USB-A cable. You can use this USB-C adapter. And in my case, take a look when I'm gonna connect this into my phone. It will be connected. It actually starts charging my band. So you can charge this by using your phone, but also you can use charging brick, like power adapter. And here I have one. You don't have to actually use any specific power adapter. You can use from your old phone, from your tablet, any other device that you have, and you can finally recharge your device by simply connecting this USB-A cable inside this USB-A power adapter. But also, if you have power adapter with USB-C input, you can use this another USB-A to USB-C adapter and connect this cable.